The first step to getting started on Fiverr is to get yourself set up as a seller. And to do that, you need to create your seller profile once you've registered as a buyer, which is the basic registration on Fiverr. So when you sign up to Fiverr, the first thing you have to do once you've registered is to register as a new seller. And it's really important you do this straight away, even while you're learning about this course, because one of the factors that affects how quickly you can get up to a level 1 seller is the age of your account. So this is an absolute day one priority. There are 4 steps to creating a seller profile on Fiverr. Now, because I've already got an account, I can't show you the screenshots of the process. But what I will do is to show you some of my information so that you get some idea of what to show in your own profile. So step 1 is your personal information. Now you have to put in your full name, which actually remains private. You can see I've got my Fiverr name on there, JBD Colley, but my full name is kept private. And add an image of yourself in the profile picture and make sure it's a good head and shoulders shot of you, because people relate directly to people's faces and images. They want to know who they're dealing with, and that gives them confidence that you're a real person. It's somebody they can work with. In the description, introduce yourself to the Fiverr community. So give them a good understanding of who you are, your background, and therefore, give them confidence that you're the right person to buy for. In the languages section, you need to select the languages you speak and your level of fluency. Well, I've got a splattering of French and German. I'm learning a bit of Spanish, but basically, as with most English people, I speak English. And that's as far as it goes. And I'm very grateful to all you people out there who are non-English speakers but who have learnt English, because we can communicate, because I couldn't possibly manage your languages. My regrets on that one. But you put your languages in and then click continue. In step 2, we look at the professional information. You should put in your occupation, select your expertise in up to 2 fields. And when you've done this, skills will appear with checkboxes, and you need to select 2 to 5 of them. Then you can put in your skills. Let your buyers know your skills. These may be based on work experience, hobbies, or everyday life, but they're also really important SEO tags in Fiverr. So make sure that they closely relate to the gigs you want to offer. In this case, look, I've got voiceover, voice acting, British accent, voiceover talent, narration, voice talent, voiceover. So making it very clear that's what I want to offer. You can, of course, also suggest skills which are not listed there, and you can have up to 15 of them. In your education, select where you've attended college and what educational qualifications you hold. You can see my educational background on here, and any certifications, honours and things that you have, which will help you to stand out from other sellers. You can also input the URL of your personal website and then click continue. Step 3 is about your linked accounts. This is the only place on your Fiverr, whole Fiverr presence, where you can actually link to some of your other accounts. And I've linked to Facebook. In fact, Google Plus is defunct now, but that's as far as I've gone. And you can see I've got my Twitter account down there as well. But you can link to your social and professional networking accounts. I think there's about 15 that you can link to, and that's it. Then click continue again. In step 4, it's all about account security. In the email field, click verify now if you haven't already verified your email account. And in the phone number, you need to verify now as well and continue with that process. In order to be a seller, you have to do this. So when it's done, click continue, and then you are ready to create your first gig on Fiverr. Now, bear in mind, you must complete 65% of your seller account and have 1 verified linked account, and the phone number verification must be completed in order for you to start being a Fiverr seller. So that's an important detail you must take on board and make sure you complete. So that is how you get set up as a seller on Fiverr. That is how you create your seller profile, and it's worth spending a bit of time on this to make it as comprehensive and as complete and as compelling for your buyers as you possibly can.